use rice water on my hair. That's 1 week old fermented rice water. Guys. Hello and welcome back to my channel New Growth Naturals. My name is Samantha. I am a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care and natural hairstyles. On this channel, I post videos on how to care for your natural hairstyles, and so much more in regards to your natural hair. So if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, so whenever I post, which is 2 to 3 times per week, by the way, you'll be notified. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what happened when I use rice water on my hair. So basically, I did a previous video on the pros and the cons of using rice water, because I'm trying to educate my clients and all of you out there in YouTube land that want to use this as an option to grow your hair out. If you have not seen that video, click this link right here to see that video, but I suggest that you go ahead and watch that video because it's very informative and it will tell you the benefits that rice water gives to your hair, how to use rice water for the hair, and also the cons that you need to consider when using rice water on your hair. Now, if you had watched that previous video, you would have known that prior to this video, I was a bit skeptical about trying rice water on my hair because of my hair's porosity and because of how my hair is protein sensitive. But for some strange reason, I did that video, I made the rice water, and I had it I had it in that jar for at least a week. And then somehow I was due for a protein treatment, which I don't do much of that. So I decided to use the rice water that I did not dispose of from that previous video. So I had it for like a week now. And guys, when I opened that jar, why am I laughing? When I opened that jar, it smelled so horrible. It was like, oh my gosh, I'm not putting this on my hair. I don't know what possessed me to do it, but I did. I did put it on my hair. Fun and jokes aside, I did put it on my hair, and I'm going to show you what I did, how I did it, and my results. Yeah, let's do that. So to make my fermented rice water, I use 1 cup of white rice, and I'm just going to go ahead and wash that thoroughly. So you can use black rice, brown rice, yellow rice, whatever rice that you want to use or that is available to you is just as good and even better because of the nutritional benefit that it offers. So once I thoroughly wash my rice, I dispose of that water, add it to my mason jar, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water to that 1 cup of rice. Give it a little shake, cover it. This is supposed to be done between 24 to 48 hours for fermentation, but like I said, mine was in the jar for 1 week. So this is what it looks like after 1 week of being in that jar. So once my fermented water is ready, I put it in a spray bottle for application, and this smells so awful. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. That is my motivation now. So let's get into it now. So I'm using the Shea Moisture shampoo, which is the Curl and Shine Hibiscus shampoo, to shampoo my hair before I apply it. You don't want to use rice water on dirty hair, guys. Take note. So always ensure that your hair is clean first. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hair thoroughly before I go in with that rice water. I'm cleaning my scalp especially. Notice that I'm only focusing the shampoo mostly on my scalp. For this, you don't have to shampoo your hair like 3 times or 2 times before, because rice water can be very drying on your hair. You just want to get rid of the dirt, and you don't want the rice water along with that shampoo to be on your hair. So once I'm done shampooing my hair, I'm going to go in with that spray bottle with rice water. God give me strength. So I'm just ensuring that all the shampoo is thoroughly washed out of my hair. Now for the rice water. Oh my Lord. I am not exaggerating by the look of my face. You guys know that, trust me, this thing is really smelly. I know I'm using it because my hair was breaking a little bit at the ends because of neglect. I neglected to moisturize it for about 3 days. My hair became so dry, it started breaking, so I decided to use that rice water. actually not crying. I'm actually laughing because it was so funny. Laughing at myself, making up my face. Sorry, okay, let's continue. Let me stop laughing. So I'm ensuring that I straighten my hair, and as you can see, I'm doing this to my hair while I am wearing a protective style, which is flat. I'm ensuring that all over is fully saturated, and once I'm done spritzing my ends, I'm just going to go ahead and dunk the rest on my scalp, massage it in a little bit. So after 25 minutes, I go in with my Shea Moisture Conditioner and thoroughly wash that rice water out my hair. And like I said, this can be very drying to the hair, so you want to follow up with a deep conditioner, a moisturizing deep conditioner, by the way. So I'm using my molasses and ripe banana deep conditioner mix. Guys, if you haven't used this before, if you don't know how to make this remedy, you need to go check that video out, because this is super moisture intense. This is the best DIY deep conditioner I've ever used, the most moisturizing overall. So guys, check out that video on how to make the molasses and ripe banana deep conditioner. So this is what it looks like. This can be pretty messy. Notice I'm still using it in my shower, and I'm just going to use my hands to distribute it all over my hair. I'm going to be paying attention to my ends, my scalp, just all over, because I want this to really get into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage it, not only in my scalp, but ensure that it is thoroughly saturated in my strands. So now I'm just using a damp hot towel to apply some heat on top of that plastic cap to ensure that all that moisture is infused into my strand. So after about 30 minutes of that deep conditioner, I'm going in again and washing that thoroughly out of my hair. Because I wanted my hair to be soft. I wanted the elasticity that it offers based on the nutrients that is in the rice. And if you haven't seen my video, it's critical that you go ahead and watch that video for you to get the full download on the benefits that rice water does to your hair, and then you can understand this. So if you don't know, elasticity is the ability of the hair to stretch and return to the original shape. This is an indication of the strength of the hair. For example, hair with normal elasticity stretches when it's wet up to 50%, when it's dry up to 20% of that length. If you have low elasticity hair, it breaks easily. It may not hold curl from setting, styling, or permanent waving. So this is very important. So guys, I did it because of that, and my hair feels a lot softer. I noticed that it had more sheen. However, I won't be doing this again anytime soon because my hair has low porosity and also high porosity, which is the high porosity hair is really in the back because of a different texture, and I recognize the porosity in the back is different from the porosity at the top, and I don't want my hair to be too dry because the rice water will form a barrier over the strand, protecting it, and don't allow a lot of moisture in the strand. And because of that, you don't want to be using this too often. So Yeah. But anyway, check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, comment, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.